In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color timeline in Asana. By the end, you'll know how to make your timeline instantly clearer by coloring tasks based on a drop-down field so you can scan your schedule at a glance. Start by opening the project where you want colored tasks and switch to the timeline view. If everything looks gray or uses default colors, that's normal. Timeline colors in Asana come from drop-down custom fields, so we'll set one up now. Look to the top right of your project and open Customize. In the panel that appears, scroll until you see Custom Fields. This is where you control what labels and colors your project can use. If you already have a drop-down field you want to use, you can skip creating a new one and simply ensure it's turned on for this project. If not, let's add one. Choose Add Custom Field, then select Drop-Down. That part is important because only drop-down fields support timeline colors. Give your field a clear name that reflects how you want to group or highlight work, like priority, status, project stage, video editing stage, or content type. After naming it, add options. For a priority field, you might add high, medium, and low. As soon as you create these options, Asana automatically assigns a color to each one. You can keep those defaults or adjust them later so they match your team's conventions. With the field in place, start applying it to your tasks. Open any task, find the custom field you just created in the task details, and pick a value, such as high, medium, or low. Do this for the tasks you want to visualize on the timeline. As soon as a value is set, the timeline uses that option's color to paint the task's bar, making it stand out immediately. Now head back to Timeline View. You should see your tasks rendered in the colors tied to your drop-down choices. High priority items might appear in a bold color, medium in something more neutral, and low in a lighter tone, or whatever palette you selected. If you don't see colors right away, make sure the custom field is added to this project and visible, then refresh the view. A quick recap: open your project in Timeline, go to Customize and Custom Fields, add a drop-down field with the options you want, assign those values inside tasks, and then view your timeline to see the color-coded schedule come to life. This approach keeps your plan readable, helps you spot risks, and makes reporting and handoffs faster.